Today our work is distance between two accessible points using theodolite. We have 2 points. You can see P and Q. We set up instrument station here, instrument station O. We can measure the distance between OP and OQ, but we can't measure the distance between PQ because there is a obstacles in between P and Q. That is the problem. How we solve this problem using theodolite? Firstly, we place instrument over station O and we take the measurements of angle POQ. That is the first step. For that purpose, we set instruments at station O and its temporary adjustment is already done here. That is centering and leveling. After this work, we set up the instrument reading at a scale reading 0 0. A scale reading is 0 0. So you note this reading 0 0. This is the theodolite field book. You can see they are reading field book. Instrument station at O, instrument station at O, side to P, number of repetition. Here we are now only start here, and the instrument working model is face left. You can see vertical circle is left side of the telescope. Vertical circle is left side of the telescope. In this way, we call this instrument position is called face left position or instrument normal position. We set up here instrument and the reading is, we already set there 0 degree, 0 minute, 0 second at A vernier, and the B vernier reading is 0 minute, 0 second. Now the instrument is exactly pointing to station P and the reading is 0 0. That means we set up the instrument in 0 0 position. Then unlock the upper arresting screw. Upper
bisect
ചെയ്തു വെച്ചു.
Okay.
Upper arresting screw, loose the upper arresting screw, then only the reading change, and object glass is rotate through the position of Q. Now we can see the ranging rod on Q. Arrest this point, bisect this point, by using exact bisection is there, and exact bisection is using the tangent screw for the upper plate screw or upper arresting screw, because only the reading changes done with these screws only. Now I am exactly bisect this point Q and then take the reading on A scale. Now it is the A scale. The reading is 52 degree, 51 degree, 40 minute, 10 second. Yes, the reading is instrument station at O, looking through Q, the reading is 52 degree, 51 degree, 40 minute, 10 second. 51 degree, 40 minute, 10 second. You should read B scale also and the minute and second only. Yes, that is 40 minute 20 second. I'm sorry. The last reading is 51 degree 40 minute 20 second. Here it is 40 minute 20 second. Now we take the exactness of the for the exactness of the reading angle, we take this reading as a repetition method. So we log the reading here. So we log the, already it is logged, the upper screw is logged. Then release the lower plate screw. Release the lower plate screw. Then what happened? Instrument is rotate, but reading is remain what we arrested on the upper scale. So 51 degree 40 minute 20 second is there. There is no change, that is there. And instrument now rotate in the lower plate. Reading will not be changed. Now again bisect point P. Again bisect point P. Yes, I can see this. Now log the lower plate screw. Lower plate screw using the tangent screw. Using the tangent screw, exact bisection is done. This everything is done with the lower plate screw. That is important. If you bisect this with the upper plate screw, reading will be changed. Reading change. Now we want the exact bisection of point P, and for that thing we use the lower plate arresting screw and lower plate tangent screw, because in this process the reading will not be changed. Yes, it is exact bisection is done. So again here instrument station is at O, side to P. Now the reading is not 0, that is 51 degree 40 minute 20 second and 40 minute 20 second in B scale, because it not change. And the work is proceed with unclamp the upper plate screw. Again we ensure that the lower plate is tightened or not. It should be tightened and the upper plate screw loose. So now the instrument rotate the upper plate with using the upper plate. So now what happened? The reading is changing.
സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തോട്ടെ.
exact bisection is done with the upper plate tangent screw. Upper plate, it is very important using, if you want to change the reading only, then only use upper plate arresting screw and its tangent screw. So I want this exact bisection reading also, so I done this work with the upper plate screw and upper plate tangent screw. Okay, that is correct. And I again take the reading with a scale. Now the reading is
102.
102. ഡിഗ്രി 103 ഡിഗ്രി 20 മിനിറ്റ് 18 മിനിറ്റ് 20 സെക്കൻഡ്.
103 ഡിഗ്രി 18 മിനിറ്റ് 20 സെക്കൻഡ്.
ആദ്യം കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നല്ലോ, വേറെ മിനിറ്റ് കിട്ടിയോ? അതാണ് സർ, മിനിറ്റ് 103 ഡിഗ്രി 103 ഡിഗ്രി 20 minutes. 20 minutes already there. Then 18 minutes 20 seconds. 103 degree 38 minutes 20 seconds. Now the reading is okay. Instrument at 0. Look through Q. 103 degree 38 minutes 20 seconds. And B scale reading is 20 38 20. 38 minutes 20 seconds. Again, yes, this upper scale is locked, so because the reading will not be changed, so loose the lower plate screw and again rotate the instrument clockwise and exactly bisect point P again. It is the third repetition. Yes, using lower plate only. Exact bisection, exact focusing, everything is correct. 0, looking through P, the reading is 103 degree because it is not changed, because the upper plate is locked. 38 minutes 20 seconds. Now 0, looking through Q. So what we want, the reading must be changed. So ensure lower plate tighten and loose the upper plate and rotate the instrument. Look through point Q. Yes. Point Q. Arresting using the arresting screw and focusing should be clear, and exact bisection using the fine movement screw. Everything is done. So take the reading at a scale, that is 160 155 degree 20 minutes. Twenty minutes. 155 degree 20 minutes. Four minutes 40 seconds. 4 minutes 40 seconds is exact. 155
grade
155 degree
24
24 minutes 20 seconds. Again, ensure that the minute and second correct or not. Yes, that is 24 minutes 40 seconds. 4 minutes 20 seconds. 24 minute 20 seconds. Now one phase work is over. Continue.
continue with the
Now